Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today, I will be teaching you chapter 9, Plants, Nestling Grounds. So all of you open page number 12. See, plants are grown and maintained according to their better yielding capacities at different places. Yielding means not rigid, not hard. Means all plants grow where they find better situation or all the things whatever they need. So today we will know about nursery, orchard, grove, vineyard and glasshouse. So now see in your book. Here we will know about some plants or trees where they grow or grown. Okay. First clue is given about nursery. Spelling is N-U-R-S-E-R-Y. Nursery is a place where young trees are grown and displayed for selling. Young trees means small plants. Okay. A nursery is a place where small plants are grown for the purpose of selling. Okay. Those who want to plant a tree, they purchase plants from a nursery. Okay. You can say nursery is a shop from where you can purchase plants. Okay. Some produce bulk stock. Some nurseries produces stock in bulk. Bulk means in great amount, in large quantity, where seedlings of a particular variety for purpose such as fruit trees for orchards or timber tree for forestry. Okay. Means different kinds of plants are sold in a nursery. Small plants are sold in nursery. Next clue is given about an orchard. Spelling is O-R-C-H-A-R-D. Orchard. A place where fruit trees are grown for commercial purposes is known as an orchard. Okay. Orchard is a place where fruit trees are grown to sell fruits. Okay. For commercial purpose. An orchard is a type of farm where fruits and nuts are grown on trees and shrubs. Example, apples, pear, oranges, bananas and cherries. There are three main types of orchard. First one is fruit orchard. Second one is nut orchard. And third one is seed orchard. Okay. See, third clue is given about a grove. Spelling is G-R-O-V-E. A grove is a place where trees are grown in a cluster either naturally or by human beings. Okay. Cluster means in large quantity. Either it is grown by humans or naturally. Okay. This is a kind of commercial forestry. You can say it a commercial forestry. Okay. Next clue is given about a vineyard. Spelling is V-I-N-E-Y-A-R D. Together, vineyard. A place where grapes are grown specially for wine making. Means vineyard is a place where grapes are grown in bulk especially for the purpose of making wine. A vineyard is an area of land where grape vines are grown in order to produce wine. Okay. So you understood what is a vineyard? See, next clue is given about a glass house. Spelling is GLASSHOUSE. Okay, together, glass house. A place with glass walls and a glass roof for keeping plants warm in cold countries. Okay, glass house is a place where roof and walls are made from glass to keep it warm, to grow fruits, vegetables and other things. Okay, a glass house is also called a greenhouse with sufficient heating. Is a structure with walls and roof made mainly of transparent material such as glass, in which plants requiring regulated climatic conditions are grown. Okay, to control temperature. Okay, for growing fruits and vegetables and other plants, glass house is made in cold countries. Where it is made? In cold countries, and it is also known as greenhouse. Now we will revise in short this lesson. First one is nursery. A place where young plants are grown for the purpose of selling. Next one is orchard. A place where fruit trees or shrubs are grown for the commercial purpose. Next one is grove. A cluster or plants growing together in large quantities either naturally or by humans is known as grove. Next one is vineyard, where grapes are grown specially for the purpose of making wines. Next one is glass house. Glass houses are made in cold countries to control temperature, to grow vegetables, fruits and other things. So students, your homework is to learn these names and revise the chapter carefully. Thank you.